Hello, my name is Jakara. I am an energy healer. Let me see if I can. Hold on. Hi. Okay. So you know what? My videos, they're always a bit stale sometimes because it's not as always easy to show my uh, personality. Not always, but for the most part. So the one thing I think about, if my son was here, he would have just ran to this puddle and splashed in it. And I'm like, I wish I could kind of be like that. Just go in it and pow, splash. But instead, I will do his second favorite thing to do, which is throw rocks. Terrible aim. I truly was aiming for over there. I gotta work on my aiming. See, there we go. Better. Oh. Oh, that's usually how it goes. Start with one laugh, and it just ripples. If it makes it that far. I'm actually having fun, and I'm making this video with fun intention. So, even though I may not be speaking in light language, right, or be saying anything profound, by society standards, profound. Oh, this is a nice one. It's pretty good. I don't want to toss this one. I'll just put you back for now. I am sending energy. I am doing energy work by watching this video. You are also receiving energy and receiving energy work. Let's see if I can go right through there. Or no, right there. Right through there. And pow. Ah, get it, girl. See. Oh. Yay. My son would be just crushing this right now. Let's see. Let's try a harder shot. I am a terrible aim, but like right through there. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oy. Do you just remember playing in water? I do. I remember playing in water simply because I love it. I used to go down to the gutters, put on my bathing suit, and just sit underneath the gutter when it rained, but like warm rain, not cold rain, because I wasn't a fan of cold rain. It's a nice one. Yeah, nice one will wash you anyways. Just a good little shine. Still have a little bit in my throat due to some clearing, but that's good for me. Did I already show this one? Who knows? If I pick it up again, it's for a good reason, I suppose. All of these rocks carry really positive energy. Rocks in general carry a very positive, energetic vibe. So, it's always good to kind of go by a creek where there's like lots of rocks, however tiny, and just kind of maybe play in them. But I used to do it all the time. Put on a bathing suit, go in the water, or the rain, and would just have fun. I remember doing it more as an adult because I have a 2-year-old who loves to just go in the water, have fun, and I think that's amazing. That one looks like a walnut, guys. It's not a walnut. Yeah, making sure. Okay, yeah. It's not a walnut, but it looked like a walnut. And I remember as an adult because of my son, but not because I have just decided to go out into, you know, an area, wooded area or trail or whatnot, and then just find and decided to play. And I've never done that. So doing it now is actually quite fun. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can hop over there as close as I can get from here to here. I need like a running start, so I gotta do it at a diagonal. All right. Hold on. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I had made it, and then I got caught on that tree because this tree just wanted to hug me. Thank you, tree. My shoes are a little wet on the inside, but I say it's the good one because it's the shoe without a sock. Yes, I have one sock, one no sock, so it's all gravy. Oh, but again, as an adult, how often do you just go out and play in a river, a creek, or, wherever best suits your needs? Like I said, me, not so much unless my 2-year-old kid was around. But this is quite enjoyable. Very calming, very cool to see these different unique pebbles. I've never done that either. Kind of just stuck my hand in a river and grabbed rocks, mostly because I don't really like to stick my hand in water. Well, that's not true at all. I don't know why. I couldn't tell you why. But I'm glad I'm doing it now, so that's good for me. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for joining and having fun with me. Healing was definitely being taken place, guys, and all of these beautiful water and rocks helped me do that. So, pow, pow, pow. Either way, I'm going to continue to have fun and play. Have a great day.